Yes. Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a project and how to upload it in the GitHub repository. Yes. Let us see how to create that one. Yeah. First we have to create a project locally, and also we have to create a GitHub repository, and then we have to upload it. Yeah. I think so. Is my screen visible? So let us search GitHub. Yes, I'm searching GitHub. So this is the first link which I got. Yeah, let me rotate my screen. So go to the repositories, and we have to create one repository named like testing. Yeah, not testing, like a demo project. Yeah, it is showing available. So don't click anything like a public, private, add, readme, nothing to be clicked. So please enable only this thing like a demo project, and yes, create repository. Yeah, that's it. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Create a repository, like create a folder like demo. I'm entering like demo. So in that one, open it in the Visual Studio Code. That is a editor, code editor. Yes, yes, this is our folder. This is our folder in which we have to manage our GitHub. Yes, now what I'm going to do is I'm creating a simple file. Yeah, uh, which project we can do, like web development or data science or machine learning? Yes, it is a simple project. We'll be doing web development project. uh, index.html. Yes, making the boilerplate. Yeah, our project is about demo project. Okay, and then what we have to do is simply make like a demo project. Okay, and then h2 not demo project. Let us do something like, yes, something like I'm entering p lorem 20. Yes, some random words I'm entering. I'm giving image also. So let us copy some of the image sources from website. Yes, I'm going to copy some of the image sources from the website. Yes, uh, let us copy like open something. Totelligence I am opening. Let us copy. uh, just spring, not spring. Yeah, let us copy this one. Like we have to copy the image address. Let us open the text editor. So alternate text is this is all about Python, na? Python. Yes, that's it. I'm going to run this. So it is showing something. Yes, it is showing like something like Totelligence Solutions. So lorem epsum, something like that. It is showing. So let us reduce the image size by width 50%, width as 50%, and height also as 75%. Let us check. Yeah, now it is well and good. Let us give some styling for this one, like coloring will be going some random. Yes, that is good, I think. For no, let us change. Okay, man. Yes, something we have given. Now our thing is we have to download, like sorry, we have to upload this to GitHub, and all this code should be visible to the all the users globally. Yes, how to make our project visible to the all the users locally, I have to share my. So suppose let us consider a scenario like we are having a small challenge. So we are having a small challenge in front of us, that what we have to do is we have to share this project. It is there now, like let me show this demo. So these two things we have to share to all the members global, like any to one of the teammate, or to the teacher or the faculty member. We have to upload. Then what you will do, what you will do like simply you will make this a zip file and you will share them with the code like that. The first option is sharing through WhatsApp or sharing through email. Yeah, how much like if I am asking that you will share, you'll be sharing through the WhatsApp or mail, but each and every one, thousands of members, lakhs of members, crores of members will ask, will you share each one by sending the like WhatsApp or Gmail? So no, that is not the case. What we have to do? We have to upload this to a GitHub repository. Yes. So for that case only we had our GitHub. Yes. For that case we have our GitHub. Yeah. This is the demo project na. So let us open our Gitbash. So in the previous video I have done how to create the Gitbash also. So if it was not done, we'll be creating that one also. So let us wait. So we have to open the Gitbash. Yes, let me zoom in this. Let us make full screen. Yes. What are the instructions they have made? First, it's git init. Yes, we will do that. Git init. Yes, we have done. And then what they have said, git add. Yes, git add. Yeah. Now let us check the git status. What is the status? See, two files has been added. Okay, done. So they're saying that git commit minus m, first commit. Sure, we'll commit that one. And then we have to change the branch to main. And then we have to change the branch to main. And the final thing is, no, not the final, this is the pre-final. A pre-final thing is we have to, yeah, let us yes, let me clear the screen. Just clear this. And the final thing is we have to push our project to main branch. Let us check what will be happening. So it has been told that it has been shifted to main branch. Okay, so let us check. Let us refresh again. You'll be seeing some miracle. See, this is a simple thing. Simply you'll go and copy the file, and then you'll be sharing with all the members. That is not a see. So simply we're copying this, and then we can share to all our one. Yes, na. The only thing is we have to upload our project to GitHub. So let me showcase some of the things that you have to be noted. That's some of the points to be noted. Yes, uh, and then we can make this repository to the private. So why private means? Yeah, why private means? Yeah, let us check. I have authenticated to my GitHub mobile. So that's why it is showing like this. The number is 89. Okay, approved. Yes, I have approved, and directly it will. Yes. Now our project is in the private mode. Now our project is in the private mode, so that nobody can see this one. Nobody can see. Yes. See here, actually the problem is sharing the code is the biggest problem. So now using GitHub we can share all the code. See, I'm having more than 50, or sorry, I have built 68 projects which everyone can see. So if you can see here, overview, totally I'm having 253 commits. 253 commits I have been, and also these are the most used language by me. And also see 346 commits in the last year 2022. I have done 136 and 34 in 2021. See here, daily we will be doing some of the credits. Yes. So this is the way we will share the code, like share the, what do you call that one? Share the code, yes, share the code globally. So if anyone having doubts in uploading the content in the GitHub, so let us know. We'll be clarifying your doubts. Yes. Thank you everyone. Thanks.